हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल लर्न विद मिनेंद्र में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आपका पढ़ाई अच्छा चल रहा होगा गेट 2021 का। आज मैं आपके लिए गेट 2020 सेट 2 में से जो प्रोडक्शन के ऊपर मेटल कटिंग के ऊपर जो क्वेश्चन आया था वो हम लेके आए हैं। इस तरीके का क्वेश्चन बहुत ही इजी है, देखते ही बनना चाहिए क्वेश्चन। अगर फॉर्मूला याद रहेगा तो आप ये क्वेश्चन विद इन 2 मिनट में भी कर सकते हो। ये 2 मार्क का क्वेश्चन था। चलो देखते हैं कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं। सो फर्स्ट रीड द क्वेश्चन। सो बार ऑफ 250 mm लेंथ इज गिवन एंड 20 mm diameter is given. Okay, are to be a turn on the leg with a field. So this is the field 0.2 mm per revolution is given. Each regrinding of tool cost is given as ₹20. The time required for each tool change or tool changing time is 1 minute. Tool life equation is given as Vt raised to n is equal to constant and that is 0.2. Okay, power raised to 0.2 where cutting speed is in meter per minute and tool life t is in minute. Okay, the optimum tool cost per piece for maximum production rate is in rupees. You have to place your answer in round of your answer up to 2 decimal places. Get 2020 set 2. So let's see what is the solution for that. So given data यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है length of the 250 mm, diameter is given as 25 mm, feed 0.2 mm per revolution and tool changing time is given in minute 1 minute. And what is the important data they have provided? Their tool life equation Vt raised to 0.2 is equal to 24. The constant value is 24 and from that we have to find out optimum tool cost per piece. So first just apply the optimum tool life. So if you apply the optimum tool life, for that we know this is the relationship T naught is equal to Tc into 1 minus n divided by n. If you apply this simplified formula, T naught or optimum tool life is equal to Tc inside bracket 1 minus n divided by n, where n is the power of t 0.2. Okay, tool changing time is given as 1 minute. So T naught is equal to 1 into 1 minus n 0.2 divided by 0.2, and from that you will get T naught as 4 minutes. So this is T naught value. What is next task? Just apply this relationship. What is that? Vt raised to 0.2 is equal to 24. Okay, this relationship we are going to use. So from that V naught is equal to 24 divided by t to the power 0.2 and just put the value of t. If you are applying here V naught, then here it is T naught for optimum tool life. So V naught is equal to 24 divided by T naught. Already we have found out 4 to the power of 0.2. From that you can easily calculate V naught value, and V naught you will get as 18.19, and this is cutting speed, that is in meter per minute. So meter per minute. Okay, after this you have to find out what? The rotational speed. Okay, how to find rotational speed? So V is equal to pi dn. This is the formula, and this is in meter per minute. Velocity in meter per minute. Okay, so this is V or V naught. Just put the value as 18.19 is equal to pi, diameter in minute, diameter in meter. So this is a 25 mm. So just put 0.025. Convert mm into meter into n, that is unknown, and from that n you will get value as 231. Very easy simplified calculation. 231.6 rpm rotation per minute. Okay, this is the value of L, and after that you have to find out what is the machining time. So machining time, how to calculate? Tm is equal to L divided by F into N, because feed in mm per revolution given, and already we have calculated the rotational speed in rpm. L is the length is given, so from that you can easily find out what is machining time. L to 50 mm divided by feed 0.2 mm per revolution into this rotational speed 231.6. Okay, so you will get rotation per minute, you will get mm will get cancelled, you will get machining time in minute, and that is nothing but near about 5.397 minute is the answer for machining time. Okay, after calculation of this machining time, your task is to find out the number of tools needed. How to find out number of tools needed? Numbers of tools needed. Yes, this is the machining time, to machining time. From that to machining time you can easily calculate number of tools needed, and is equal to this Tm divided by T naught. Okay, this is 5.397 divided by 4 minutes. From that data you can find out number of tools needed, and this is in piece. Okay, number of tools needed in piece, and optimum tool cost per piece. How to calculate? The last task is to find out optimum. What is that? Optimum tool cost per piece. This is the task to find out. One more important data they have provided, that this is the value 5.397 divided by 4, and per piece value of for per piece is given in a question 20 rupees per piece. Okay, from that you will get the optimum tool cost per piece, and the answer is 26.985 rupees. Okay, so this is the answer. In 3 decimal places or 2 decimal places you can write this. So thank you for watching my channel. If you are not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.